Building backlinks by hand is a repetitive, manual process. It requires reading through every past post, identifying keywords, and manually inserting URLs, a workflow that consumes hours of production time. Auto Backlinks Builder replaces this manual effort with a cloud-powered system. It scans your WordPress content and automatically inserts relevant internal and external links without requiring you to edit individual posts. This diagram illustrates why legacy link-building plugins often failed. They ran on your local hosting, causing performance issues and server timeouts. Auto Backlinks Builder avoids this strain by moving all scanning and link matching to a dedicated cloud network. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through the steps to connect your WordPress site to this external cloud engine. By offloading the processing, your WordPress installation only receives the finished content via a standard REST API. This allows you to scale your link building across your entire library while maintaining fast local page load speeds. To begin, navigate to the Add Plugins screen in your WordPress dashboard and install the Auto Backlinks Builder connector plugin. This plugin is lightweight by design. It does not perform background processing. It acts exclusively as a communication bridge between your site and the cloud platform. Once the plugin is active, go to the Users menu in your sidebar and select Profile to begin the authentication setup. Locate the Application Password section at the bottom of your profile. Enter a name for the connection, such as Auto Backlinks, and click Add New. You must copy the generated string immediately. WordPress will only display this specific credential once. It provides the authentication required for the cloud scanner to interact with your site. If you close the window without saving it, you will need to delete the password and generate a new one. Next, log into your Auto Backlinks Builder Cloud dashboard. Go to the Sites menu and click Add Site. Enter your site URL and your WordPress username. Note that you must use your actual username in this field, not your email address, to ensure the connection is successful. Paste the application password you generated in WordPress into the designated field in the Cloud dashboard. When you click Test Connection, the cloud server pings your WordPress installation to verify credentials. The nodes turn green to indicate successful verification. The system then activates your account, instantly crediting you with 50 free welcome tokens. Because these tokens are only issued after a successful verification, their appearance in your balance confirms that your site and the cloud engine are communicating correctly. To complete the protocol, you must send instructions back to your site. In your SaaS dashboard, open the Site Detail panel and find your API key. Copy this key and move it from the SaaS dashboard to your WordPress settings. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Under the Main Settings menu, select the new Auto Backlinks option. Paste your API key into the field and click Save Settings. This final step completes the authentication loop. The Cloud Engine now has the permissions needed to push optimized content and links back to your blog posts. With the connection established, return to the Cloud dashboard to define the operational boundaries for the AI scanner. Control link density for every post. Adjust sliders to set the minimum and maximum internal and external links, up to 10 each. You can also toggle providers to include or exclude external sources like Wikipedia, YouTube, or government databases. The system uses a simple token-based model. Each link that is successfully inserted into a post costs exactly 1 token. If you set a scan to include 2 internal links and 2 external links, each post processed will cost exactly 4 tokens. This provides a clear way to manage your total SEO expenditure. To see the system's logic in real time, view the Scan Logs interface. Every decision the AI makes is recorded here. These logs show you which keywords were evaluated and which candidates were selected for linking. When a match is made and a link is saved, you will see a successful checkmark and the corresponding token deduction. As the engine runs, a network of relevant connections begins to spread across your content. Your isolated posts are automatically linked to one another and to authoritative external sources, increasing your site's search visibility without manual editing. After your initial 3-day trial period, the system automatically adds the remaining 450 tokens to your account balance. Your WordPress site is now operating with an autonomous linking engine. With the infrastructure in place, you can stop building links by hand and focus entirely on creating new content.